Pokémon's Mythical Squishy Premium Collect. Flipping her over, inside we do get the 3 Pokemon V cards, 3 squishies featuring Mew, Celebi and Victini, 8 booster packs, a code card. So starting off with the code card, and then we have the Celebi squishy with the Celebi V card. Beautiful card there. And then we have the Victini squishy with the Victini V card. Then we have the Mew squishy with the Mew V card. Quick look at the pack selection. So you do get 2 Vivid Voltage, 1 Rebel Clash, Chilling Reign, 2 Battle Styles, and 2 Evolving Skies. Let's see how we go. Code card. Ooh, Rockruff and a Holo Rapidash.